back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you executive room of Best Western Hotel Amritsar. This is the amenities of the room which is given to the guest, in which there is a TCM tray and one kettle with 2 water bottles. This is the LED which is 32 inches, and this is a directory under the LED. This is a writing table. On the writing table there is a menu, welcome letter and a lamp with chair. After that, these are the curtains, and this is the coffee table on which LED remote is placed. Moving forward, this is a bedside table on which writing pad and telephone is placed, and this is the double bedroom of the executive room. After going forward, we have the second bedside table in which there is a lamp is placed nearer to the bedside table. These are the cupboards in which guest places clothes. Under the cupboard there is a luggage rack. In luggage rack there are some linens, so please avoid that. We are going to clean the room because I am in housekeeping department at that time. In the cupboard there are some hangers with shoe shiner and laundry red slip. After that, going forward, here is the safety locker in which guest places money or any valuable thing. After that, here is the AC control. Moving forward to the bathroom. In bathroom there are different types of supply kept for the guest, which includes comb, shower cap, body lotion and shampoo. After that, here is the bathtub. On the bathtub there is a bath towel and hand towel. In the bathtub there is a bath mat, and there are some supplies kept nearer to the bathtub, which are conditioner, shampoo, soap and body lotion. These are some pictures of executive suite room. If you are new to our channel, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our latest videos, and please like and share our video. We will be meet soon in next video.